What's up mga kabit? Another game na naman po ang ibibigay ko sa inyo ngayon. But of course, bago pa siya magsimula, okay, at least alam nyo na, ang pangalan niya ay Dream Quest. What's up? What's up? What's up mga kabit? So your quest awaits you. Ayan, season coming soon. So at least meron ka na idea, pero bukas ay available na siya sa Duck Starter. So, October 14 yon. So, ngayon sinushoot ko siya October 14. And then, sa October 15, ang maganda rito guys, IDO na rin siya or Initial Dex Offering sa Red Kite and syempre sa GameFi. Pwede na tayong mag-participate and makabili ng kanilang token. But before, lagi ko sinasabi, hindi ko sinabing bilhin ninyo. This is just an additional information na may bagong game at pwede kayo mag-participate. Don't invest money you can't afford to lose. And of course, do your own research bago ka pumasok sa isang NFT play-to-earn game. So enough with that guys, silipin na natin mabuti kung anong meron dito sa website ni Dream Quest, okay? Nakalagay naman, no? Coming soon pa naman. So we've always believed we live one life. The truth is we live part of our lives in a dreams verse going on quest as dream hero. So ito yung medyo story niya or yung adventure kung paano siya nag-i-start, kung anong meron dun sa loob ng laro, ano yung storyline niya, and to give you an idea doon sa mismong laro. So pwede kayong pumunta sa dream.quest website para mas mabasa nyo, ilagay ko dyan sa description. So, ito, the Guardian NFT cards. Guardians are non-gameplay cards used to govern the realm, create challenges between factions, and help their side to win. So, meron guys mga discount on game packs and free random NFT card drops. So, depende yan. Pero, guys, gusto ko sanang malaman kung ano ba talaga tong game na to, no? Meron ako nabasa sa Cointelegraph about this game. So, silipin na lang natin. Dreams Quest officially launched on GameFi, Duck Starter, and Red Knight. So, again, October 14 sa Duck Starter and then GameFi and Red Kite naman sa October 15. Now, ano ba talaga tong Dream Quest na to? A blockchain-based NFT gaming platform announces the launch of their anticipated Initial Dex Offering or IDO. So, campaign scheduled on Red Kite, GameFi, and Duck Starter. The launch gives an opportunity, okay, to access the Dream Quest ecosystem through Dreams Token. So, yun yung token nila guys, ha? Tandaan nyo, Dreams Token. The ecosystem will be gradually unveiled with a variety of mini games leading up to the launch set for 2022 pa naman siya. Pero ngayon, ito nga, as stated here guys, ito yung kanilang IDO date. So, basahin pa nga natin guys para makakuha pa tayo ng additional information. So, Dream Quest is a play-to-earn RPG card game using dynamic non-fungible tokens or NFTs. So, players are invited to explore the dream realms and go on adventures by participating in quests. So, possible guys, play-to-earn to habang nilalaro mo yung mga quests nila. Of course, nag-earn ka din ng kanilang token. So, papaano nga ba? By participating nga sa adventures, sa quests, sa events, and syempre mga tournaments. The NFT game cards are dynamic and are impacted by unknown factors like weather conditions, temperatures, and storms. And when you say dynamic, guys, nag-change siya. Continuous ang change. At the conclusion of every game, card attributes are written on the chain, storing permanent history of card changes over time as well as how cards have evolved or changed. So basically guys, no, ilo-look forward natin syempre yung kanilang future. It depends sa'yo. May advantage kasi yan at disadvantages. Sometimes guys, ang advantage kapag ka ikaw ang nauuna sa laro, of course, pag bumili ka ng token na yon at biglang tumaas ang presyo, syempre mag-earn ka ng magandang profit. Kaya lang, ito naman ang disadvantage nun. Pagka bumili ka naman ng maaga tapos biglang hindi naman pala or bumaba pa yung presyo, yun ang disadvantage niya. So para safe tayo guys, syempre, huwag ka na mag-invest ng money na hindi mo naman kayang mawala, which is lagi ko sinasabi. And guys, no, to know more about this game, pwede kayo mag-visit sa kanilang Twitter. Okay, search nga natin. So ito yung Twitter account nila, pwede nyo i-follow, tingnan nyo yung mga new updates nila. So ayan, as you can see, meron ditong video wherein pinapakita yung mga sample NFTs. Ayan, silipin natin guys yung video ha. Oy, ganda naman pala. Are you ready to make dreams come true? Ayan. So, ayan. Okay kitang-kita nyo guys, fresh na fresh tayo, napakaaga. Ngayon pa lang nagsisimula, pero may idea na kayo na merong ganitong laro. And that is the reason bakit natin ginagawa ito. At least nakikita nyo yung mga bagong laro bago pa sila magsimula. Now, to add more information guys sa inyo, pwede kayong mag-visit din sa kanilang Discord, nakalagay naman dito. But don't worry guys, ilalagay ko naman yung link sa description na itong mga dinabasa natin para kayo mismo ma-search nyo rin siya. So as of now guys, abang-abang lang din tayo sa mga news nila sa Twitter and Discord. So ayan, medyo nakikita ko dito parang may pagka-Starcraft yung graphics nito no. Medyo ang lalaki ng katawan ng mga character Pero silipin natin yung roadmap no. As of now kasi, andito tayo ngayon sa initial NFT offering token sales which is 2021. So tapos na to concept and art and development. Lucky draw, envelope first game card packs, ayan sa 2021 dito, malapit na. And then test, net and beta access. Matatry na natin siya sa 2022. Season 1, First Battle Dynamic Net RPG, and then, syempre, matagal-tagal pa to, Rise of Gnomes. And silipin na rin natin sino mga partners nila to add credibility din naman dito sa larong ito. So, ang allies nila is Polygon, Chainlink, and Polka. And of course, ito mga companies naman na to ang partners nila. And I'm sure iba sa inyo familiar din sa mga logos na to. So again guys, very short lang naman tong review natin. Importante na inform natin kayo. Kung nagustuhan nyo guys, please hit the like button. Maraming salamat po sa mga subscribers natin. And kung gusto mo lagi kang updated, simple lang, hit the notification bell. Maraming salamat sa'yo. And God bless you.